Regard, my name is Nelly Gutierrez. I work as a secretary and I am a business administration student from Barranquilla. Next, I am going to develop the following question. From my point of view, I can say that technology in turn is relaxed to nature since the first has an important impact on the second. This can behave positively as well as negatively. Below, we will talk about the positive and negative effects. Effects positive. 1. Campaign through social network. 2. Recycling. 3. Renewable energy sources. 4. Electric car. 5. Smart building that produce energy saving effects negatives. 1. Construction of public water. 2. Global warming. 3. Oil accidents. 4. Resource generation. How do I see the future of our planet? If necessary measures are not taken, I see that our planet will deteriorate more every day since our temperatures will increase more every day. Our animals will the essence of nature resources are roaming because the human feeling lavi if unbridled if we do not change action and does not think about the next generation, they will not think native. How can I mitigate environment damage? Well, from my point of view, we can help to mitigate environment pollution, use water responsibility, plant more trees, not throw garbage into the sea, use recargable energy wisely, reuse of material, among others. As mentioned above, let's look in graphic how I can mitigate the effects and help the environment so that future generations. 1. Avoid consuming in excess olive, saving water. 3. Recycle. 4. Soap. Thank you.